Did you know that a simple, peppery green could be a powerhouse of health benefits? Watercress, often overlooked, is more than just a garnish. It's a nutritional superhero with ancient roots and modern-day significance. Let's dive into why this unassuming plant deserves a place in your daily diet. Watercress, a vibrant green aquatic plant, thrives in freshwater streams, ponds, and rivers. It has been cultivated and consumed for centuries, but its remarkable journey into kitchens and medicinal practices across the world often goes unnoticed. In its natural habitat, the plant grows in nutrient-rich environments, with its crisp, peppery leaves and stems rising above the water's surface. For centuries, watercress was largely considered a humble food, often eaten raw, found in salads, sandwiches, and soups. Yet, beneath its fresh, leafy exterior, watercress carries profound historical and nutritional significance. The unique blend of slightly spicy, mustard-like flavor makes it a versatile addition to various dishes, but it is its medicinal properties that truly define its legacy. The first uses of watercress in ancient cultures were not solely for culinary purposes. Throughout history, the plant has been revered for its healing abilities. Ancient Egyptians recognized its importance in medicine and included it in their therapeutic concoctions. In traditional practices, watercress was used as a remedy for ailments ranging from respiratory issues to skin conditions. Its high content of vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants position it as a powerful tool against scurvy and as a stimulant for the immune system. It was often consumed in the form of teas, poultices, and even tinctures, showing the plant's potential to aid in the prevention and treatment of various conditions. Its connection to longevity and vitality has persisted into modern times, where it's seen not only as a food but as an elixir of health. With the rise of modern nutrition science, watercress has enjoyed a resurgence in popularity, particularly among health-conscious consumers. Today, watercress is valued not just for its flavor but for its ability to fight inflammation, support heart health, and even reduce the risk of cancer. Its dense nutrient profile is a testament to its superfood status, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with folate and calcium. It contains compounds known to detoxify the body, support the liver, and boost cognitive function. The plant is also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes gut health. Watercress's phytonutrients, including glucosinolates, play a vital role in cancer prevention by supporting the body's detoxifying enzymes, adding to the growing body of research into its anti-cancer properties. These health benefits make watercress more than just a garnish. It's a staple in the diets of those looking to improve their overall well-being. The cultivation of watercress is as fascinating as its history. Though it grows wild in water, its commercial production requires careful attention to water quality and conditions. Watercress farms often rely on freshwater systems where the plant can thrive. The leaves, typically harvested in the spring and early summer, are prized for their freshness and crispness. However, cultivating watercress is not without challenges. The plant thrives in clean, running water, making it vulnerable to pollutants and environmental changes. In recent years, concerns over water pollution and climate change have led to efforts to protect watercress habitats and preserve its delicate ecosystem. Today, sustainable farming practices are being adopted, with more growers embracing organic and eco-friendly methods to ensure that watercress remains abundant for future generations. Despite its growing popularity in health-conscious circles, watercress faces some challenges in global recognition. While it enjoys great success in Europe, North America, and parts of Asia, its presence in mainstream cuisine is often overshadowed by more common greens like spinach and kale. Watercress continues to grow in popularity as part of health food trends, and it is starting to find its way into more dishes in restaurants and homes around the world. As global interest in healthy eating and sustainable farming practices grows, watercress is likely to play a more prominent role in diets everywhere. Its rich history, exceptional nutritional profile, and environmental benefits make it a food that transcends trends. While it may be simple in appearance, watercress is, in fact, a powerhouse that connects health, history, and the environment in a way few other vegetables can. From its rich history as a medicinal herb to its modern-day status as a superfood, watercress is proving that sometimes, the simplest foods have the most power. So, next time you're looking for a nutritious boost, remember this leafy green and its many benefits. Stay healthy, and keep exploring the wonders nature has to offer.